Okay, so it's Amanda again here, creative gardener, and I wanted to show you my Clammy Cherry tree, or Clammy Cherry tree. So this I rescued because my guy that cuts our grass wanted to cut it down, saying it's not an invasive plant, but it grows very tall if you don't kind of contain it. So this does look a bit kind of sprawly, it kind of grows in all directions, but I've been cutting it's you know, the other side is going on the neighbours, and so I can't get over there, so really all they have to do is just chop their side if they don't want it. Anyway, so Clammy Cherry tree, you get these kind of cherries that grow. Now what it's been known for here in Barbados is for kids to use it as a glue. Now I have tasted it, and I will do another taste test so that you can so I can tell you what they taste like. And I'm gonna do a creative project in the studio and see if they are something that you can utilize their properties. They're very kind of, it's very sticky, and I will have a picture of how sticky they are. Anyway, so they come, well, as you can see, these little kind of this is the unripe one. I think there were some white flowers to begin with. I can't be 100%, can't remember, but anyway, so when you pick them, they should, it comes off like that. So this shell bit you can't eat. My nails, how dirty they are. Just taken off my gloves that were supposed to protect my hands. Anyway, so when you squeeze them, out they come, out they pop. And I just really wanted to show you how kind of sticky they are. So you get rid of that because you can't eat it, but as you can see how sticky. So hence I guess it's been used as a glue. Now my thing is that if you're going to use it as a glue, I mean they used to use it for sticking kites together, so it must be quite strong to stick, you know, the card or the paper that the kite is made from. But will you have problems, like if you made, say, a handmade book and use this to stick it, would you have problems with insects? Especially in this heat. So we're gonna test it out and see. Anyway, so I'm gonna go and wash my hands now. And you can also use it as in jams or in pies apparently, but I'm not sure how much you can get off. Anyway, so yeah, it's extremely sticky. So I'm gonna leave it there, and in the next video what I'll do is I'll show you how you can use it to stick in a particular product, and I'll do a taste test because it's my phone is flashing up. But anyway, here's another look at how sticky it is. It's quite amazing. Anyway, take care for now, and I'll see you in the next video.